News coming in. This is about the crackdown that has been launched by the Election Commission, and here we are looking at seizures that have crossed a massive 1,000 crore mark. So in Tamil Nadu and West Bengal, the EC has carried out large-scale recoveries of cash, of liquor, of drugs, and also freebies, all suspected to be linked to attempts at influencing voters. So the EC's zero-tolerance action is what we are looking at, and also we have information that this is a part of a coordinated multi-agency drive with flying squads, with static surveillance teams, and also law enforcement working round the clock to check the illegal flow of money. So the model code of conduct is in place. The EC has made it clear that any attempt to distort the electoral process will be dealt with seriously, and this is the action that is playing out. Kritika, my colleague, is also with us. We're seeing huge crackdown by the enforcement, by the Election Commission, and right now we have information that there are seizures worth rupees 1,000 crores is what we're hearing.
Well, absolutely. 1,000 crores is the amount of the seizure that has been made both in the poll-bound states of Tamil Nadu and of West Bengal. There are, in fact, about over 5,000 flying squad teams as well as over 5,000 static surveillance teams as well that have been deployed by the Election Commission for the recovery of, in fact, such sort of inducements as well. This includes cash, this includes liquor, in fact, drugs as well as precious metals, freebies. All of this has been accounted for by the Election Commission in these two states as well. And we're seeing that the total amount has now surpassed over 1,000 crores as far as the recovery made by the Election Commission in terms of the general elections as well as the by-election is concerned as far as the states of West Bengal and Tamil Nadu are being spoken of. Now, remember earlier as well, the Model Code of Conduct had come into force by around March 15, 2026. And since then, this is the amount of, in fact, seizures that have been made by the Election Commission. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Kritika, for joining us with those breaking news inputs. So the Election Commission has stepped up its crackdown. And what we are seeing right now, these are seizures crossing a massive 1,000 crore mark. Tamil Nadu and West Bengal are key focus states with large-scale recoveries that have been made. With that, time for us to take a short commercial break. We'll be back with more news and updates.